In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate text fields data in DocuSign. Start by opening DocuSign in your browser. From the home screen, click Start to begin a new process. On the next view, choose Sign a Document. This path works for quick, one-off envelopes, and the same approach also applies if you're building a reusable template. Add your document by clicking Upload, then choose the file from your desktop. Once the document appears, move forward by selecting Next. Add Fields. This takes you into the Field Placement workspace, where you'll configure everything the signer needs to complete. On the left panel, pick Text. Click on the document where you want the signer's first text entry to appear. After you place that field, click it again to open its properties on the right side. You'll see an option called Data Label. This is the key to making DocuSign replicate text automatically. Give this field a clear, unique label, such as client name. The exact spelling, spacing, and capitalization matter, so choose a simple, consistent name you'll remember. Now place your other text fields in every location across the document where that same value should appear. Each time you place one, click the field to open properties and set its data label to the exact same value you used before. For example, client name. When multiple text fields share the same data label and the same intended recipient, DocuSign treats them as linked. That means the signer will type the value once and it will populate identically in all matching fields. If you're working from a template or a more complex envelope, the flow is similar. Create or edit the template, add your documents and recipients first, then go to Add Fields. Drag in your first text field, set the data label, and repeat for other locations that should mirror the same entry. Keeping the recipient assignment consistent on each of these fields is important. Replicated values only carry over for fields assigned to the same person. A few practical tips as you go. Choose descriptive labels that reflect the value, like project ID or company name. If a value isn't replicating, check for typos in the data label and confirm the recipient is the same on each linked field. Finally, once your fields are placed and labeled, you're ready to send. Your signer will enjoy a smoother experience by entering key information just once, and you'll maintain accuracy throughout the document automatically.